little while ago, a friend of mine says he just doesn't get my fascination with Volkswagens. And I'll have to tell you, it's one of those things that if you don't experience it for yourself, you probably wouldn't understand it. I always thought they were kind of goofy little cars. And then when I bought my first one, I fell in love with them. And I've always liked Volkswagens, ever since the first Herbie movie. But this thing here, I have to say, this is my all-time favorite car since I've been driving it. It is a ball to drive. And it'll run 70, 75, 80 mile an hour. I mean, it has no problems going. With those big tires on back, it's almost like having overdrive. And I think it's getting pretty good gas mileage. I got an oil leak issue to take care of, but this car is just such a trip. I mean, I've had people follow me to take a picture of it. And people want their kids' pictures in it. And yeah, it's just turned out being such a great, interesting little vehicle. And every part of this is something that I've done. And I'm really happy with it. And I guess I'm kind of proud of the effort. It's a one-of-a-kind, unique vehicle.